Alright guys, Georgia Jim. We got a challenge lock here from Lockmania. It's called Boom. And this was sent to me by Corncob, so big thanks to both. See if we can get this picked. Find the tensioner to sling in there. If that's gonna work, let's see. I gotta, nope. I was gonna do bottom of the keyway, but trying to find one big enough. We'll go with this. Alright. Trying to get up under there. There we go. Alright. Pin 2. And just touched 1. And there we go. Fun little lock. Crazy false set on it too. Alright. Let's get this set there. Let's get that down here. Get a little better light. There we go. We don't have a key, so we're gonna try not to lock this up by accident. If I can get this little screw to back out. You grab a smaller screwdriver. There we go. Stick that there. Get everything picked. Let's find the shim. I gotta get a follower anyway. We'll grab a shim from there. Throw a couple up here so we got some. Alright. Too big, way too big. I should have done better than that. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look like all 5 standard pins. Maybe a little bit of, if I can get that to focus. Probably not. There we go. Maybe a little bit of beveling on the key pin. Alright. For one, it looks like a tiny little T-pin or something. Almost like an ink pen tip. There's a spring. 2 is a double ball piece of chain. Trying to get the spring out. Come on out. There it goes. Three is a spool. Let's go the other way. We got a gin spool in 5. This small, same spring, and it looks like a piece of screw for a serrated pin. Alright, let's double check the core. I don't see any mods to the core. So this was Boom by Lockmania. We'll get you guys zoomed in. So it's like he basically found whatever he had laying around to throw in there. I said, I don't know what that is at pin 1. It's got a broken piece of metal with basically it's like a T-pin, but then you got like a broken screw or a cut down screw in chamber 4. We got a gin bottle on a spool in 3 and 5, and a piece of chain here. So pretty wild. I've never picked a lock like that. So Lockmania, thank you for throwing all that in there, and Corncob, thanks for sending it to me. Again, you guys have a great one, and thanks for watching.